Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Twitter account and going straight to Settings and Privacy. Once done, choose Account Information. This is where age lives. You may need to re-enter your password for security. Do that to proceed. Make sure you have 2FA ready if Twitter prompts you. This step unlocks editable fields so you can change birth date values. Don't skip account verification. It's why Twitter restricts edits and ensures age-appropriate features are applied to the profile. Now you edit the birth date fields directly. Month, day, year dropdowns are intuitive. Select the correct values. Once adjusted, set visibility options so you control who sees your birth year or entire date. You should understand why. Twitter uses age for content settings and legal compliance. If you change year significantly, Twitter may limit actions or request verification. Make deliberate choices, because repeated edits or implausible ages can prompt review or slow reactivation of age-dependent features. Finish by tapping Save or Done and follow any final prompts, including password re-entry. Once saved, check your profile to confirm visibility settings applied. If Twitter blocks the change, you'll be asked for ID to verify age. Comply to restore full features. If edits do not appear, clear app cache and update Twitter, then sign out and back in. One troubleshooting tip: if verification stalls, upload a clear government-issued ID and contact Twitter support through the Help Center form to resolve delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.